This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Tom Waters and Less Than Bedroom Greater Than Gloria Waters. Welcome to your cottage-style pool and spa home with pond view. The Manchester floor plan features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,423 square feet of living area and a 2-car garage. Entering the home, you will immediately feel the openness created by the cathedral ceilings and sliding glass doors. A large kitchen with granite counters, island and stainless steel appliances makes cooking a breeze. Your owner's suite has direct access to the screened lanai, pool, and spa. The guest bathrooms share a tub/shower combo. The owners have updated and maintained their home beautifully. Recent improvement include exterior paint, HVAC, pool salt cell, irrigation controller, living room ceiling fan, kitchen granite, backsplash, and island. No carpet in this home makes for easy cleaning. Laundry in the garage. Door and window hurricane protection included. The Cottages of Blu Vista is a quaint neighborhood with brick paver driveways and sidewalks, no CDD fee and $500 annual HOA fee. Also, there is a community playground and basketball court. Walking distance to Kinnan Elementary School and coming soon Manatee County Park with pickleball courts. Minutes to Downtown Sarasota, Sarasota/Bradenton Airport, UTC Mall, Lakewood Ranch, Bradenton.